northwest, okay? Do not go northwest. Puta, malulaw ba tata ako, pre? Shit.
Patay ka dyan.
Yo, northwest ready. Stand them northwest in 3, 2, 1, northwest now.
Nabedra.
Where's the guard rune? Defend ready. OC. Guys, do not hug the wall, please. Guys, guard runes when we engage, guys. Silva, ka-counter sa amin to, Silva. Pwede mo sila engage ang pag nag-counter sila. Sige, engage ako ah. Look northwest, guys, in 3, 2, 1, northwest now. Okay, back now. Ayan na, Silva. Ayan na sila. Nakapatay kayo? Nice one. Defend front. How many seconds, guys?
5 seconds infinity.
Ready na.
Oy guys, defend front! Benz, ba't kayo nandyan?
Ready bracer.
Ready infinity, ready.
Lax, front ka, Lax, para hindi kami ma-engage dyan sa gate. Defensive ka.
30% kaya? 30%? Hindi. 15k. Break na kayo.
Looking sila. Hold guys, hold. Come back.
Sige. Bisalis ako dito sa bimsa niya.
Okay. Guys, look northwest ready. Do I have ult?
Wala.
Do I have ult?
Wala pumasok sila.
Northwest now, 3, 2, 1, northwest now. Kill this guy. Okay, ready defend. Okay, execute. Defend ready. Okay, hold.
Patay niyan.
Hold guys, hold.
Perfect, nag-in B.
Okay, ready spread. Def. Heal. Guys, take space on the southeast. You guys can go up the stairs.
Careful na sa stairs yung ano.
Defend ready. D-Town, don't let them walk in, okay? D-Town, don't let them walk in.
Looking for counter. Shallow.
Okay, northwest now in 3, 2, 1, northwest. Okay, hammer now. Defend. Nice, hammer. Ubus! Hammer. Ready def. Come back southeast. Def. Come southeast. Anong fake? Dalawang engage yan, mga bobo. Come southeast. Don't clap like that. Ed Gidar, alis ka dyan.
Sige, 30%.
Sige. Pagkabasag mag-i-engage ako dito.
20 ah. Pwede ko mo sige ah.
Sila sa amin ah. Guys, look southwest. Okay, look southwest ready. Wait. D-Tanks walk in. Okay, southwest in 3. Oh, southwest. Wipe them. Okay, def now. Go back northeast. Okay, nice one. Hammer. Ready def. They're looking. Wait now. They're walking in. Def front. Okay, hammer. Balut.
Pag-itindihin na lang sila.
Okay, go back. Careful, guys. Careful east side. Only tanks front. Keep spamming guard runes. Hold. Okay, hold.
Sige ah.
D-Tanks, go in. D-Tanks and Battleman, go in. Okay, D-Tanks and Battleman, go in. Go in. Southwest in 3, in 2, in 1. Southwest now. Okay, come back southeast. Tumatakbo na. Spread. Wait, click the gate southwest.
Nakapagod ko lang isa.
South on me in 3, in 2, in 1 on me now. Wait. No.
Habulin mo.
Tingulak, ang galing. Okay,
Patay niyan. Yung nasa loob.
Patay niyan. Sir. Come southeast. Tumatakbo na.
Wala na. Andito na sa southeast side. Nasa southeast side sila.
Mantap. GG na daw
Okay.
ata, pre.
Namatay na party to.
Guys, take the castle. Wala din namatay sa party 1.
Ako lang ba naiinis? Kasi may mga lot na lang napipindot ko. Naiinis ako tingnan. Napindot ko yung lot. Mamatay na tayo.
Sige nang inis.
Kunin niyo lahat ng loot, pati yung trash, kunin niyo. Huwag yung mag-inarte. Lahat.
River Knight.
Forever night, 40 people lang daw sila eh.
Ako lang yun. Pakita natin yan ba?
Akin na lang safe flow.
Take nyo castle, tas
Kita na itong fake na okay? I-cleric sila na rin. Inuta ito eh.
Ang dami kong nag-i-dito.
Silva, mag-main zerg kayo, 40v40 tayo pre. Party 1 po kayo. 40v40. Tangina. No. Martlock portal.
D9?
Wala, ayaw nila pre. Sabi ko kailangan natin mas. Wala tayong time. Guys, we must again later. Bukas na lang daw. Kala nila may fight ngayon na daw. Oo, bukas na lang. Wala na, tapos na. Yun na yun.
Dami natin.
Tangin na pag talo, iiyak kayo. Pag nanalo, tangin na, ang bilis. Bahala
Dami
siya.
natin.
Aray ko.
Yakin ko pala eh.
Tingnan ng loha.
Perma bomb, gago.
Yung isa nasa taas.
Uwi na kayo guys. Listen.
Walang deaths pre? Walang namatay? Who died? I kick in now.
Benz.
Tatlo.
Si Pauline Benz pumatay.
Ang ina yun yung
Walang
Brex din sila
walang
pre.
guard run sa harap. Ang sakit.
Dalawa pala.
Itong fake ginawa eh. Tato eh.
Hindi yun sa
Wala.
walang guard dun
Bakit
sa
wala?
harap. Masyadong ano
Wala.
yung ano mo dun.
Wala yung comment eh.
Masyado kang tao dito.
Wala.
Wala
Hindi
yung comment.
magpapasa.
Masyado kang matapang.
Na masyado kang na ano kampante dun sa harap. Di ka dun, kahit na may
Hindi
guard
ko rin
dun
alam
dun.
na double engagement.
Matrapan ka lahat ng DPS. Punit ka pa rin. Walang gagawin guard room
Yung
dun.
Holy Orb sana kita kaso sinalo ng iba.
Guys, later sa screen UTC guys, we must to reach Crystal, okay? We just need 1 to 2 castle guys, is Crystal already.
Tsaka marin kasi
Actually,
yung boots ko.
hindi pala, mga ano ata to pre, purple castle bago mag-level up.
Core. Kailangan natin ng core. Magle-level
Core
up
din.
na yung core.
Core tapos Crystal Terry, kay Vortex.
Oo, yun nga. Mali nga yung boots ko. Okay, kung naka-royal shoes sana ako dun. Kung royal boots. Ay, shoes. Royal shoes. No. Nakalimutan ko yung shoes ko. Wala ako. Naka-boots of valor pala ako.
Mid-trade na.
Oh,
Maghanap na daw kayo ng gold vortex.
unsan sa?
Yan na lang katog ron.
Di lagi yung matog ron, mobabay gani ko ron.